Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable soup cubes. First, select about 2 pounds of your preferred vegetables like carrots, celery, or spinach. Wash them thoroughly and chop them into small, consistent pieces. This ensures they cook evenly and blend smoothly later. You'll also need a large pot for cooking and a food processor or blender for pureeing. Getting everything prepped now makes the rest of the process super easy and efficient. Now let's cook those veggies. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in your large pot, then add the chopped vegetables. Sauté them for about 5 minutes until they start to soften. Next, pour in 2 cups of water or vegetable broth. Bring it to a simmer and cook for 15 to 20 minutes or until the vegetables are very tender. Finally, carefully transfer the mixture to your blender and process until it's completely smooth. Once your vegetable puree is ready, it's time to make those convenient cubes. Carefully pour the smooth mixture into ice cube trays, filling each compartment about 90%. This leaves a little room for expansion during freezing. Place the trays in the freezer for at least 4 hours or until the cubes are completely solid. After they are frozen, pop them out and transfer them to an airtight freezer bag. Don't forget to label the bag with the date for optimal freshness. Using your homemade vegetable soup cubes is incredibly simple. Just drop 1 or 2 frozen cubes directly into your simmering soups, stews, or sauces to instantly boost their nutritional value and flavor. They're also fantastic for making quick baby food or adding a veggie punch to pasta sauces. You can thaw them in the microwave or on the stovetop in minutes. And hey, while you're making things fresh, remember to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals to keep your car smelling amazing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.